Yo, what's up everybody? It's Dr. John here, and we are about to embark on an adventure. Like a serious adventure. Ever wondered what Jordan looks like from above? Buckle up, because we're going on a breathtaking drone tour of Jordan's greatest hits. The must-see destinations, the hidden gems, the whole shebang. We're talking ancient cities carved into mountains, desertscapes straight out of Lawrence of Arabia, and this crazy sea where you literally float. Drones, man. They give you this whole other perspective, you know. It's like you can see the world breathing, see the history laid bare. And Jordan's got history in spades. Get ready to see it like never before.
All right, first up, Petra. You've seen it in pictures, you've heard Indiana Jones talk about it, but nothing, and I mean prepares you for seeing this place from the air. The way the sick, this narrow gorge snakes through the mountains, it's like the earth is opening up to welcome you. And then, bam, the treasury. This massive facade carved directly into the rock face. 2,000 years old, guys. Think about that for a second. 2,000 years. And it's just the beginning. Temples, tombs, theaters, this whole city carved into the rock, a testament to a civilization lost to time. It's awe-inspiring. It's humbling. It's Petra. Next stop, the Dead Sea. Now, this place is straight up bizarre. The lowest point on Earth, so salty nothing can live in it, you just float. And the salt formations, it's like some alien landscape, but here's the thing. From the air, you see the beauty of it, the deep blue water contrasting with the white salt, the rugged mountains rising up in the distance. It's stark, it's surreal, it's kind of amazing. You know, they say the mud from the Dead Sea has healing properties. Looking at it from up here, I almost believe at this place it's therapeutic, you know? Okay, get ready to have your minds blown. Wadi Rum, imagine a vast red desert stretching out as far as the eye can see, towering sandstone mountains like giant sculptures rising up from the sand. It's Lawrence of Arabia meets Star Wars, I swear. The drone footage here is just insane. You're soaring over these dunes, weaving between these massive rock formations. It's like flying on another planet. And the colors, man, the way the light plays on the sand, it changes every hour. You can see why they filmed so many movies here. It's just epic, Wadi Rum. It gets under your skin. It's the kind of place that makes you feel small and insignificant in the best way possible. From the desert to the city, well, an ancient one, Jerash. This is what's left of a Roman city, and let me tell you, these Romans knew how to build. The scale of it, even in ruins, it blows your mind. We're talking colonnaded streets, temples, theaters, even a hippodrome. And from the air you can see how it all fits together, how grand it must have been. It's like flying over a history book. You can almost hear the chariots racing, the crowds cheering in the theater. Jerash, it's a reminder that the past is never really gone, it's just waiting to be rediscovered. Last stop, Amman, Jordan's capital city, a bustling mix of old and new. From the air you see this amazing contrast. Ancient mosques nestled next to modern skyscrapers, bustling markets spilling out onto wide avenues. It's a city that's constantly evolving or always on the move. You can feel the energy, the pulse of the city, even from up here. And the sunsets, forget about it. The way the light hits the white buildings, it's like the whole city glows. Amman, it's chaotic, it's vibrant, it's alive. It's the perfect end to our Jordanian adventure. So there you have it, guys. Jordan from above. A land of ancient wonders, breathtaking landscapes and vibrant cities. It's a place that stays with you, that makes you want to come back for more. And seeing it from the air, it just adds to the magic. It gives you this whole other perspective, this sense of awe and wonder. It's like seeing the world with new eyes. Jordan is a land of wonders, and seeing it from above only adds to its magic. Which destination would you visit first? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more incredible journeys.